Hello everyone, it's a pleasure to meet you all again in the Napu product review section. Today, I would like to introduce to you a new pattern design, custom ordered by a very special customer with a strong rectangular shape, engraved with a Seed Syllable HUNG made from Vietnamese natural Ant Agarwood. Let's explore this product. The material used to make this pattern is Vietnamese natural Ant Agarwood, one of the most precious agarwood types on the market. The product stands out with its outstanding essential oil content, and in the VIP segment, we have selected from the most oil-rich agarwood blocks with the highest quality aroma. This brings a solid feeling completely different from the light and porous agarwood types that people often see. For those who want to own a high-quality natural monolithic product, we certainly cannot ignore it, especially when we want to make a valuable gift for our boss or our loved one. And now, let's go into the details of this pattern. Here you can see the Seed Syllable HUNG in the middle, very sharp. This hung part of the famous Buddhist chant mantra Om Mani Padme Hum. The word hung here means that the enlightened mind had been lit to be open the way for wisdom, and good things will come to those who live a good life and practice with all their heart. The surrounding border is engraved with simple decorative motifs to help highlight the Seed Syllable HUNG in the middle, and the upper border, where there is a hole for us to tie the string, is engraved with two symmetrical dragon images because it's made from Vietnamese natural Ant Agarwood. This product is not only beautiful and luxurious but also becomes a powerful feng shui item. It helps to dispel negative energy and attract wealth, opening up prosperous opportunities in life. Moreover, the gentle fragrance from agarwood not only brings a sense of peace and relaxation, but also has the ability to calm the mind. This charming fragrance helps reduce stress, soothe and worries, brings serenity and tranquility to the soul. Just close your eyes and take a deep breath. You will feel the peace and deep connection with the surrounding space, and if all worry disappear, leaving only feeling of peace and love. When I hold this pattern in my hand, immediately I feel the firmness and solidity of the material. The size of this piece, chosen to be 4x6 cm, gives it a balanced and comfortable feel, especially for male wearers. The Sanskrit hung script is quite long and the border design very intricate, so making it smaller might compromise the sharpness and the detail. Thanks to its dense and robust structure, this agarwood enhances the pattern's full and sturdy appearance, setting it apart from regular agarwood types. Its light and elegant fragrance adds to the product's allure, making the wearer feel relaxed and at ease. Most notably, being crafted from this premium material, the pattern gains not only aesthetic appeal but also powerful feng shui energy, bringing the wearer peace, luck and prosperity in daily life. And that's all I want to share about this new product. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch today's review video. Hopefully, the information above has given you a deeper insight into this unique product. If you have any question, don't hesitate to contact us. Goodbye and see you in the next videos.